Today we are unboxing the Rolex Day-Date 40 228 238 with the green dial. It's a 2022 release. Let's have a look. You may have noticed Christmas is upon us. We're all festive down here in Jardin Du Mayfair. I got the Yamazaki 12-year-old single malt. Life is good for the watch aficionado. Let's see if we can find a collector for this beautiful piece. If you've been following our Instagram, you'll know that I am a huge fan of this watch, so I am so excited to show it to you today. Let's have a look. Green. It's the colour of the season. Mayfair is so Christmassy this time of year. I absolutely love it. And this watch just matches it all perfectly. So here goes nothing. Wow, the green hits different. We're not messing about today, so she's coming straight out. If you've been watching the videos, you'll know that we've had tons of the 2022 releases. This is no different. It's really, really beautiful. And as soon as you see it, you just think, well done, Rolex. This is a classic, an instant classic. So it's an 18 karat yellow gold day-date. It has a bright green dial. This one has a lacquered finish, so it's not sunburst, and I think that that's what makes it so special. The watch is 40mm, so it has plenty of wrist presence without being overbearing. This has the new caliber 3255, so you get a 70-hour power reserve. And of course, to get its superlative chronometer status, it is +2, -2 after casing, which means that it won't go out of +2, -2 seconds per day of accuracy. You can spot the new 70-hour power reserve movements by the crown located below Swiss and made at the bottom of the dial. The Roman numerals are unloomed. I think that's important on this piece because if they were loomed, you would give up the shimmer and the shine, and I wouldn't swap it in a heartbeat. The lacquered dial gives it a whole other level of beauty. An important thing to note is that modern day dates do not suffer from bracelet stretch that you'll see on the older 36mm models. The modern day dates have a ceramic insert inside of each link to stop that from happening. So goodbye bracelet stretch, these will last forever. So how does this make me feel? This is the most Christmassy 2022 release from Rolex that I've seen. Price is not nuclear for this piece if you compare it to some of the other platinum models. This priced at £60,000. So, the fluted bezel in yellow gold, coupled with the Roman numerals on the dial, just sings class. The bracelet is, as we've come to expect from presidential bracelets, the best in the game from a Rolex perspective. Hidden clasp underneath the coronet. Everything about it is heaven. The heft of the watch is tremendous. It feels really expensive, and you would be so happy getting a few links taken out and trying this bad boy on. Guys, I want to say a Merry Christmas from all of us here at Official Watches. Jardin Du Mayfair, we didn't build this for us, we built this for you. So please do subscribe, hit us in the comments and I'll reply back to you. So, here we have it. What a piece. I'll look forward to seeing you on the next one. Merry Christmas.